After 5 incredible days in Victoria, it was time to head back home to Sydney. But instead of driving straight, we made a stop in Wagga Wagga, a great halfway point with just about 4.5 hours left to Sydney from there. Tip: if you're traveling as a couple or family, take turns in driving. Mommy Celeste drove from Geelong for about an hour. The weather was perfect and the roads were relaxing. We refueled and grabbed a quick lunch in Albury, but here's a quick tip. Albury has lots of food stops, fuel stations, and clean toilets. A perfect pit stop if you're traveling with kids. In Wagga Wagga, we stayed at the International Hotel. Highly recommended. So if you're road tripping from Melbourne to Sydney, break the trip and explore a little bit. You'll enjoy the journey even more. Safe travels and see you in the next one.